is the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Have you ever tried making your sauce with soya beans chunk? Oh yeah, guys, come let me show you and you'll be glad you learned something. It is so good and easy to make, so let's go. So with my soya beans chunk, I'll be using the Onga soya beans chunk. Okay, so we soak it in water a bit and then we take it out and squeeze the water out of it like about 5 minutes. So in my skillet I add some oil, and then we are gonna fry or saute our soya chunk a bit. Okay, please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out. Okay, so now we add some onions to it. So I add my peppers and my seasoning to it. Okay, so I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys, especially my returning viewers and my new viewers. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified and be the first to watch and share. Okay, so at this point I add my black pepper and some Onga Shrimp cube, which is optional, guys. Then we are gonna stir, and then I'll add my beautiful bell peppers. You can choose to use any vegetable of your choice, guys. Just look at that. So we gently stir this and allow it to simmer for just 1 minute so our peppers can be crunchy. Then I add my oyster sauce and soya sauce, which is also optional. So I add a combination of corn starch with my broth from my soya bean chunk to it. Stir and allow it to cook for just a little while. And guys, just look at that. Delicious, simple to make, yet tastes amazingly great. It tasted just like beef sauce. So I added a little brown sugar, which is optional, to take my sauce to another level. And guys, please try this and thank me later. Okay, enough with the chicken and the beef. Let's make this soya bean chunk sauce and you'll be glad you did. You can pair it with anything you want. I paired mine with some braised rice and everybody was asking for more. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow together. Okay, thank you and see ya in our next video whilst we enjoy our soya bean chunk sauce. Bye bye.